quick one of Karumba Point Sunset Caravan Park. There she is there. Beautiful little area, but a great place to visit for the sunset, as you'll soon see. Now, it wasn't right on sunset, so it's not a very good video. I'd only just arrived, but I'm sure if you visited this place, you'd certainly take away some great memories of beautiful sunsets. Let's be boat ramp there at the end of the caravan park. Madman fisherman here. That's the Gulf of Carpentaria. Obviously looking west. There's a bar, Sunset Tavern just to the right where we are. Great little dinner. Very busy. This must have been hundreds of photos taken of this sunset here. Thousands, I would imagine. Anyway, it's well worth the extra 70 odd kilometres north of Normanton if you're ever up in that neck of the woods. Have a look at it. Spend a couple of nights. Fish weren't on, but it's well worth a visit. So have a visit up there. And until next time, safe travels. Hooroo.